How to remove a line in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Sign in and click on All Tools. Select Add Comments from the tool list. Upload the PDF file where you added a line. Once the file opens, look at the left toolbar. Make sure the comment tools are visible. If not, click the speech bubble icon on the right to activate it. Look at the line you previously added, usually created using drawing tool. Click directly on the line. You will see a floating toolbar pop up. Click the trash bin icon or press delete on your keyboard. The line will be removed instantly. Click Save in the top right to confirm your changes if you are using the app. Pro tip: this only works for lines added using add comments or drawing tools. Lines from scanned documents or added using other methods can't be removed in the free web version. And that's it. That's how you remove a line in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.